today I am going to show you how to make black iced mocha. And this time we are going to make them in manageable 12 ounces cups. This time I am going to show you in 3 different ways. One is using the espresso shots. Second, I'm going to use my cold brew here. To make this cold brew, what I did is 1:10 proportion. That means 1 part coffee to 10 parts water. In this case, I use 1 liter of water to 100 grams of coarse ground coffee. For my coffee, I am using the house blends here, which is 100% Arabica medium roast coffee. And we are also going to use instant coffee. I'm using Nescafe here, any brand will do. Now those are the 3 coffee ingredients that we will use for the recipe today. Because this is black mocha, we are going to use my amazing iced cocoa mix. This is a very concentrated chocolate mix, which is almost like chocolate fudge, or it is chocolate fudge. And for this we use dark chocolate, 70% chocolate, unsweetened, no creamer added. Let's take a quick recap on how to make thick chocolate mix for iced black mocha. We need unsweetened chocolate powder, 75 grams. Add hot water, 60 milliliters or about 2 ounces. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, which is about 300 grams. Stir until well combined. And I would suggest that you use a spoon, something that you can easily control. It is important to get a very thick texture so that it will stay on top of your drink. Keep stirring until you get a thick chocolate fudge-like texture like this one. And for the mixture of the mocha, we are going to use some fresh milk. Let's start by making our iced black mocha using instant coffee. So we need our instant coffee, and I need hot water to dissolve my coffee. For this, I'm going to use instant coffee. Stir to dissolve. We're going to add milk. Now you can use evaporated milk, that is perfect for instant coffee, but here I use fresh milk. Ice. And we are going to pour our chocolate fudge over. And we have our first iced black mocha using instant coffee. Up next, it is iced black mocha using cold brew. For this, I'm using my cold brew, brewed over 16 to 24 hours. 3 ounces or 90 ml of my cold brew, 1 ounce of fresh milk. Stir to combine. And the icing on the cake, it is our chocolate fudge on top. Iced black mocha using cold brew. Finally, it is our iced black mocha using espresso shots. Let's pull our espresso shots. I need double shots of espresso, 1 ounce of milk, my cool down espresso shots, stir, and finally our chocolate sauce on top. Iced black mocha using espresso shots, instant coffee, and this is using cold brew. Iced black mocha, what makes it black is that very thick chocolate sauce that we put there. So it's the moment of truth. I'm going to try all of them. The chocolate is really thick. This is my cold brew. For cold brew you need more coffee, but the rest will be the same. Okay, I would like to take some of the chocolate. that is very, very chocolatey. Wow, that is quite refreshing. That is because it's cold brew. Coffee is not so strong, but it is perfect for this one. Now this one is the one using my espresso shots. Again, I can't resist it. The chocolate, delicious. Wow, that is strong coffee. It is, well, in this case there's less milk, but the milk is already included in our chocolate fudge. So the first time, before you completely mix them well together, the taste will be that of a very, very strong coffee and chocolate. Black mocha. And finally, this is the instant coffee. There's something for everyone, as always. That is the milk tea of coffee, black mocha, using instant coffee. I must say it's not so bad for those that love instant coffee. This is actually quite good. Very, very strong taste of coffee, and of course the chocolate is delicious on its own. Put them together and you get a perfect combination of black mocha. Well, if you have any questions at all about these recipes, do let me know, comment below. Also, don't forget to check out my book, The Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.